Hello, Marian Kitchen family. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this recipe, we are going to be making baked apple. As you can see, I have my 6 apples. If you have not tried this recipe, guys, after watching this video, just try it. It's very good, especially for the kids. Baked apple is one of the best way to eat your fruits. First of all, I will just go ahead and wash the fruit and make sure the fruit is very clean before I bake it. Keep washing, guys. Now I'm going to be baking it for 45 minutes. I'll just bake it for 45 minutes. Then I'll bring it out from the oven. This is the outcome of our baked apple, guys. It looks so delicious. This is very good. The best way to eat apple is to bake it. Try this recipe and you are going to like it. And if you have not subscribed to Marian Kitchen, please subscribe. If you like this video and you find this video useful, share it to your friends and family. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye.